How to post on Patreon step by step. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can post onto your Patreon in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you're a Patreon user, first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to create an account, okay? And on this account, you're going to make sure that you are a creator account. So as you can see, I have a creator account over here. If you don't have a creator account, you can simply create one. So as you can see, this is my member account right over here. And on this, I can't really post anything. I can simply just go over to people's actual Patreons and just check them out. To actually post, here's my creator account. Now, once you go over to your creator account over here, what you can do is just click on create and click on post. And once we click on post right about over here, you can go ahead and write any post that you want. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write test post. Okay, we're going to write that in and you can start writing anything. So this is my first post. Okay, and you can go ahead and start adding different things for yourself as well. So let's add a relatively simple image like that one. And once we have added that for ourselves, you can simply go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, you can choose the settings. So which people, paid members only, and simply from here, go ahead and publish the post. Let's say I'm going to keep the price $7, publish it, and there we go. So that is how easy and simple it is to go ahead and post on Patreon in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.